Welcome back, YouTube. This is Garrett from Garrett's Tech Lab, back with another video, and today we have the EcoFlow Smart Generator unboxing. Now, I'm really stoked about this particular unit. I've always wanted a generator most of my life and have never actually purchased one, or I guess that one glaring need to actually have one. So I'm really excited to actually own a generator. It's kind of weird, huh? But I've got one. It's on the team, and we're going to unbox it. We're going to take a look at it on the other side of the intro. And so I want to say thanks again for watching. Let's get right into the unboxing of the EcoFlow Smart Generator. As I quickly unbox this box, this again is the EcoFlow Pro Smart Generator. That's a mouthful. First thing I want to show you guys is just how nicely this is boxed up. It's actually boxed up better than the Delta Pro itself. It's got the air packaging, it's got it all the way around, and I'm genuinely impressed with the packaging. We get it set up here so we can take a look at it. Alright, we've got the normal AC outlet, 120 volt. We have the DC connection to the Delta Pro. And here's the other standard front buttons. Going around to the right, we have our access panel. More on that in a second. Our muffler. We have the pull handle, and this is the on-off switch that actually controls the electronics. Here we have the gas cap, and there's a cleanable filter on the inside. Sorry about that. And also on the top there's a fuel vent switch, and you always want to make sure that that's on when you're running the machine. Alright, moving around to the side access panel, we're gonna unscrew these two screws here. And right here we've got the battery connections for the Delta Pro, and what this battery powers is the LED panel on the front. So you're going to want to make sure that you get these connected first, and then you can actually connect two caps together so that they keep them nice and clean. So when you disconnect this, you got good clean caps. Put that right back where it was. And so here we'll unscrew the oil reservoir, insert oil here. I'm using a 10W40 oil. This is the dipstick, and it also has the measure to make sure you get the right amount. Alright, starting from the left, we have our CO alert light, our oil alert light, our electronic start, our AC port button, which turns on the AC on and off, so our Wi-Fi reset button, and the ground terminal. This is a 16-foot generator cable that allows you to keep the generator approximately, I guess, 16 feet from the Delta Pro. This plugs directly into the DC port of the generator, and you're going to bring that around to the back and grab the generator adapter. I'm assuming that it works with the Max, which is why it's different. All of the ports on this machine are different, which is kind of a pain in the butt. Anyway, we're going to connect this cable up to the back. And yes, I get this question a lot. This is stackable. And I've got the heavier Delta Pro on the bottom. It's 100 pounds. We've got the battery, which is 85 pounds, and we've got the generator, which is about 65 pounds. So I kind of stacked them by weight. Going to the back, again, we've got the muffler back here. And here's the connection from the backup battery to the main unit, to the Delta Pro. And we've got the power cable going to the wall, and we've also got the generator plugged into port 2 via the generator adapter. And there's the 16-foot cable going around. So here is the generator connected to the Pro via the generator adapter. And there's no gas in it, which is why it's at 0. And here it is horizontal, again at 0, but they line up pretty nicely. It's a pretty nice set. And then here's again kind of what it looks like in the back when it's lined up horizontally. Weather permitting, we should be getting started on the generator test. We've had nothing but snow and rain literally every day for the last few days. Now if you press the power button on the main unit, as you see, it can actually turn the power off of all of them. And if you push the power back on, it powers them back up. And again, this is with the caveat that it has to be unplugged from any power source. And here is the on-off switch. This controls the electronics, so if you turn that off, that will turn them off. And again, this is the storage compartment on the backup unit, and it will hold all of the cables but the 16-foot generator cable. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the smart generator is a really cool device. We can't wait to actually be able to get it outside and not worry about the elements and get it tested. It produces 5.2 kilowatts worth of power, so we'll definitely need to take that in consideration and on how we set our Delta Pro. We'll go over that in the next video. I've got some thoughts on that. One of the other things I want you guys to know, I did also get in the EcoFlow smart remote, and I just want to show it to you real quick because it's anything but a little guy here. And this is the smart remote, so stay tuned so that you get to see the see how this smart remote works in conjunction with all the other units. We still have a generator test that we want to run, and I'm slowly but surely adding high-powered extension cable so that we can actually do a home test too and see how long we can run powering the rooms that I'd like to power. I'd definitely be interested in a test like that, so I'd like to see what that'll produce. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you're not subscribed, I'd ask you to please consider subscribing, and even if you don't subscribe to me, make sure that you subscribe to one of these younger channels that are out here. We can definitely use the support. This is Garrett from Garrett's Tech Lab. Peace.